Ashok Pandit has addressed the controversy surrounding Ranveer Singh's exit from Dawn 3, maintaining that the actor was never banned by the federation. According to Pandit, the issue was always about protecting producers and technicians from losses allegedly caused by last-minute exits and not about preventing Ranveer from working in the industry. Ashok Pandit strongly objected to reports claiming that Ranveer Singh had been banned by FOIS. You would never have heard the word ban from me or any federation representative. We are not a court. Who are we to ban anyone? What we said was that our workers and technicians would not work on that film. That is our right. Nobody can force anyone to work. It was a non-cooperation call, not a ban. Pandit also revealed that several members of the film industry had attempted to resolve the dispute before it reached the federation. He claimed that among those trying to broker a solution was Aamir Khan, but those efforts ultimately failed to produce a settlement between the parties involved. Pandit claimed that Dawn 3 producers Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidhwani approached the federation after allegedly suffering significant losses on the project. He said documents were presented before FOIS members showing that substantial investments had already been made. According to him, WhatsApp conversations were also shared, allegedly indicating that both the producers and Ranveer Singh were on the same page and that styling, costume and other pre-production work had already begun. The dispute began after Ranveer Singh exited Dawn 3 despite having been involved in the film's pre-production process. Excel Entertainment has allegedly claimed that nearly 45 crore rupees had already been spent on the project before his departure. FOIS later issued a non-cooperation directive, which was eventually withdrawn after industry-level discussions. So far, neither Ranveer Singh nor Excel Entertainment has announced a resolution to the dispute.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing, you guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.